Hey, welcome to Cody the Car Guy. So we've got a 2010 Chevy Equinox here with the 2.4 in it, and the IAT sensor is throwing a code, which is your intake air temperature sensor. Well, usually they'd be somewhere around here. You'd have a little plug that'd go into it. Well, Chevy's decided to make it built in with your mass airflow sensor. So your IAT sensor and your mass airflow sensor are one and the same, built in together. So simple and easy to replace. And we're going to go ahead and do it real quick. All you're going to do is grab the safety little plug right there, grab the side right there, unplug it, get that out of the way. So when you spend all that time searching around trying to find your IAT sensor, well, yeah, it's right here. Got 2 bolts. Now this is a 5-pin mass airflow sensor, so make sure yours is a 5-pin. Simply remove the 2 bolts. Slide it out, and this is the culprit right here. So pretty much says it's a permanent code, so it's not clearing, not going anywhere. So we have a brand spanking new one to go in it, and yeah, it's just that simple to change out. Simply slide it right back into place. Alright, I do want to touch base on something real quick. Make sure your gasket is there. Alright, seals everything up. There's a little rubbery gasket right there, as you can see. So make sure yours is there. Slides right back into place right here. Pretty much can only go one way in there. Tighten them back up. Let me go ahead and set them in there. Alright. I'll do snug down one side at a time. Just like that. Make sure everything's nice and level. And tighten these bad boys up. All I do is snug it. It is plastic, so you do not have to overly tighten it. Alright, simply just put your plug right back on, slide it into place, it'll click just like that. Slide this down. Alright, as you saw, change out your IAT and your mass airflow sensor was simple and easy to do. Don't forget to check out CodyTheCarGuy.com for your DIY auto parts source. We carry a lot of transmission parts on there and your aftermarket bolt-on products. Anyways, hope that helps you guys. I'll catch you on the next one.